Lawmakers return to Washington from Thanksgiving break. They will have only days to work out a deal to fund the government. And if they don't, the government could shut down.
Here we go again. President Trump wants a border wall, and Democrats want legislative protections for special counsel Robert Mueller.
I wonder what Bill Bennett's doing. You think he's shopping after this busy Thanksgiving?
I hope he's looking at a TV camera. You know him. He's Fox News contributor, former Education Secretary under Ronald Reagan.
Now, Bill, you mentioned the president. He's threatening to shut down the whole border with Mexico if immigration becomes uncontrollable. You say he may actually succeed in that task.
Yeah, well, I think the president has the authority under national security, and this has happened before. In 1985, the border was shut down. I was the first drug czar, you might remember. Not then, a little later. But because of the Tiki Camarena case, this was the DEA agent who was killed. Ronald Reagan shut down the border. And we also did that right after 9/11. This is under national security. The president makes that decision, and it's not an easily challengeable decision. The president has that discretion. So I think he says it, and with this president, when he says it, he usually means it.
Oh yeah, he's gonna mean it. Well, December 7th. So what if they don't come to an agreement, the Republicans and the Democrats, and he shuts down the whole government? What if the border's closed before that? Does that mean the border opens because he's done shut down the government? There's a lot of questions going on here, and this is really bad timing for us to be running out of money for our government, because we kind of need it right now, or at least our soldiers. The rest of the government can go lay down in a 6-foot hole for all I care. But our soldiers are going to need money and us and our support, and I don't understand what happens if the government shuts down. So if anyone has any answers, let me know, because I'm curious how you guys think this is going to play out. Thanks. This is Raya from Patriots Rise Up. Y'all have a good night or a good day.